Wait. Wait. Cross Rancho Vistoso at 4 Loop. Wait. 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 Cross Rancho Vistoso at 4 Loop. Wait. Rancho Vistoso.
Alright, so the reason I came back here is, look at this. New sign.
Wait, wait, wait.
It still chirps. Alright, what was that? Might as well go ahead and just walk around the entire thing.
Wait. Wait to cross Moore Loop at Rancho Vistoso. Wait. Aerosmith Drive. 1 second.
See the brackets holding it up.
Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Aerosmith Drive. Wait.
See, this side is right here is completely the same, but this one is not. I did turn it on, so it just turned off again.
Wait. Wait. Wait to cross Aerosmith Drive at Rancho Vistoso. Wait.
I don't know why I'm still pressing these buttons anyway.
Wait. Wait to cross Aerosmith Drive at Rancho Vistoso. Wait. Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Aerosmith Drive. Aerosmith Drive.
So not only did they fix the button in question, but they put a sign on it that's totally different from the others. I mean, you got that one right there, which is the basic big-sized crosswalk button signage. This one over here has something that you could probably see at the community center intersection that I've been to. The Lambert Lane one, the Glover Road one, and the new Lambert Lane one too. All the other ones are like iN4 models, and these are iN3s installed from 2021.
Wait, wait, wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Median. Wait. Wait.
Well, that guy ran a red light, and that guy ran a red light. Okay, now it turned green. That was weird. We got 3 impatient drivers for no goddamn reason. That signal... Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. Oh, it turned yellow again.
Wait. Wait.
Probably for my call.
Rancho Vistoso. Aerosmith.
There we go.
Wait, wait, wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Aerosmith Drive. Wait.
Again, that's the wrong name. They still haven't fixed that one yet.
Wait, wait to Aerosmith
There we go.
Drive. One sign is on the top.
He has his turn signal on wrong, I think. But yeah. New button. No, not really. A loud beeping stopped.
Aerosmith Drive.
I bet those guys just couldn't fucking wait another minute, so they decided to just go right through the last activation.
Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at...
Oh, it turned yellow already.
Wait.
Okay then, gotta go back this way. Whoa! I'll go ahead and cross again. That's it. At least I think.
Wait.
It just chirps now. But it still makes the machine gun sound. That's it for this video.